Afternoon, ma'am.
Good 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 afternoon, Peter.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We've been doing writing section for quite many days, so I thought let's have a change today. Let's do a bit of grammar today, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday the letter we were doing was not completed.
Yes, ma'am. The letter of complaint.
Not completed yet?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, then let's complete. What was the topic we were doing?
ma'am. This
Ma'am, it
is
was the letter of complaint.
Complaint for what? Have we decided the topic or not?
Ma'am, electrical appliances were defective for
Electrical
hostel.
Electrical
Yes,
appliances.
yes, we had just started. Very good. We had just written the initial 2 lines. So we had to continue with the letter of complaint. Yes, Peter. Hurry up. Let's do that only. Finish it off and post on the group. We had already done sender's address,
morning.
receiver address,
Ma'am.
subject. We had already done the subject, salutation, all these things were already done. So we need to just complete it quickly. Hurry up, hurry up. Let me see who posts first.
Ma'am, can you please share that example of complaint letter?
Have you written the entire letter? Have you completed the letter?
No, ma'am, just concluding, 2 concluding lines are left. I just want to see how we can write it.
Beta, write those 2 concluding lines also so that I can check the word limit at one go only. Finish with those 2 concluding lines.
I'm not getting how to write.
Yes, take your time, a minute or two, whatever. Others also, please hurry up. Let's see how many words we are getting. Good, you reminded me. I thought we have completed this letter. It's better we finish what we have done.
Yesterday only we have started the complaint letter.
Yes, beta, you are C-section. Now it came to my mind that you people are the ones who are left for this. Never mind. Quite a bit we have written, little bit is left. Whoever finishes and is posting on the group, immediately tell me. Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please help me in writing the concluding lines? Like, can we write like this? Please kindly look into the matter and we are compelled to delay the payment.
Yes. You can wind up like, we are very disappointed by this response.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We can start, we can write like this. We are very disappointed with this response and we hope that such a thing is not repeated in future. Then you can continue with what you just said, that we are constrained to what were the payments?
Delay the payment.
Yes, beta. And then hoping for anticipating a quick prompt action. That would be a
Yes.
better word. Anticipating a prompt response. That would be very nice. Anticipating a prompt response. Thanking you, and then your name and designation.
Yes, ma'am.
Whoever finishes needs to inform me that, ma'am, we are done.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. The entire, have you put it in a box?
Yes, ma'am.
Now post on the group data. Let me go through it. Very good.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Whoever finishes, post on the group and write your name below what you have posted.
Ma'am, send.
I'm on the group only. I'm checking. I'll be giving my feedback of all the students who are posting. Okay, the first one is by Gargi. We are reading this. Dear sir, ma'am, this is in reference to our order number so and so placed on 9th June for electrical appliances. Very good. We placed a bulk order with your prestigious company. We received the order on 14th June. But on opening, we found certain defective items. First of all, most of the bulbs we received were not in the working conditions. Working condition, not conditions. Okay, Gargi?
Yes.
Cut that. Yes. We had ordered 12 ceiling fans, out of which 5 weren't working properly. Also, the insulation of the cable wires of the table lamps you delivered were worn out. Very good point. Very nice. We were not expecting such a mistake from your side. Mistake or carelessness would be a better word, okay? We are your regular customers from a long time. Hope you will do the needful at the earliest. Till then, we are constrained. Trained.
Okay, ma'am.
The verb is constrained. This is a noun. Constraint. Constraint means majburi. And constrained to majboor hoke hum payment rok rahe hain. So one is a noun and the other is a verb. The one you have written is a noun bit. Okay, this is a constraint. Means ye meri majboori hai. But if I want to say कि मैं मजबूर होके ये कर रहा हूँ, then constraint. To delay the payment, thanking you in anticipation. Yours truly, Vinita Hostel. Excellent, Gargi. Too good. Very nice,
you, ma'am.
Bacha. Very, very nice. Let me write my feedback also. Let's move on to the next one. This is posted by Isa. Let's read. XYZ school manager, dear sir. Okay, received defected items. Defected items? What should be the correct word, children?
Defective.
Defective.
Yes. Isaac, keep changing. Huh? Whatever mistakes are there, you people keep changing here only. Defective items. This is in reference to the order number so and so. We placed a bulk order for electrical appliances dated 15th October. Okay, fine. I'm reading. Your prestigious company, we are your old customers and didn't expect. Why E of and is capitalizer in the middle of the sentence?
Ma'am, actually, I have put a full stop after customers.
If you put a full stop after this, then we should not start a sentence with and. And is a conjunction, it's a combining word, it combines two sentences. So always remember, do not start your sentences with and. It's better you change this capital A to small a. First of all, a few of the bulbs were broken and were not of the type we asked for. The switches were not of a good quality. Kindly replace them with the desired quality. We will be compelled to delay the payment. Yours sincerely, Vinita. Very good. Very well done. Nice. Very good, Isa. Well done on time. Okay. Let's see the next one. This is coming from Naina.
Yes.
XYZ School Bareilly, 16th June, manager received defective appliances. Dear sir, this is with reference to our order number so and so dated June. We placed a bulk order with your reputed company for certain electrical appliances, which we received on June 14. We received them in time, good. But on opening, then we found certain defects with them. First of all, out of 40 LEDs, 15 of them were broken. Oh God. And secondly, the fans we ordered were not of the company which we asked for. We absolutely not expected the same from your company, as we are your regular customers and never face such problem. Good. We hope that such problem is not repeated in future. Anticipating that you will take a prompt action, we are compelled to delay the payment as per our term and conditions. Very good. Excellent again. Nicely planned. Everything has been put.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, there's no one else. All three of you, Isa.
Ma'am, I am sending.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
No, I am also sending.
Send
Ma'am,
beta.
I am
Isa,
doing.
Naina, and Gargi. You people prepare the answers for this first paragraph by the time. Let me see who else is sending. Those who post, please inform me, children.
Ma'am, posted.
Okay, beta. I'll go back on the group now. Let me see. Okay, Girish. Fine. Let's check. XYZ International School. Good, you have cut the comma. You realized it yourself. Good, you cut the comma after assistant manager also. Very good. ABC Company, New Delhi. Subject defected electrical appliances. What should be the correct word in place of defected?
Defective.
Defective.
Yes. After dear sir, again you have cut the commas. These 3 commas you've done on your own only. Good. This is in reference.
After the letter was complete, I realized I have to not put this comma. So
See,
I
1 or 2
erased all.
times you will write. You will not repeat this for sure. Dated 1st June with order number ABC, we had ordered 100 geysers. Check for the spelling of geysers, it is wrong. Which worked for nearly 1 week and then, okay, unexpectedly 36 geysers stopped working. We had not expected this from your esteemed company. Over it, when we asked our electricians to check, he stated that there was no stabilizer as was there in the sample. Okay. We are disheartened at this. Hence, your balance payment would be, what is this word? Delayed until the geysers are
Hindered.
correct. Okay. Kindly do the needful by earliest, at the earliest, not by. We were your permanent customers. We were, nahi, we are. We still are. We hope such a mistake isn't repeated. We will pay the balance payment after our type geysers are discussed, are exchanged with the given ones. Okay. Lot of tough conditions you have mentioned.
Ma'am, send.
Okay. Very strong businessman. He's saying first discuss with me, then send, only then I will talk about it. Very good. I'm moving on to the next one. Okay, let me go back on the group and check. Let's see who is posted next.
Ma'am, send.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I'm on the group only, beta. Himanshu.
Send.
Himanshu, you have sent?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Puneet. Himanshu and Puneet, no? 2 more
Yes,
people.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Himanshu says XYZ School Bareilly 16 June. The manager subject received defective items. Dear sir, this is in reference to a bulk order placed on 7th June with order number so and so. We had ordered 15 geysers. Spelling of geysers is wrong, which worked for nearly 5 days. Same ideas. And then 17 geysers stopped
No,
working.
ma'am, there are 25 geysers.
Okay, we hadn't
25
expected this from your side. Unfortunately, we wouldn't be able to do the payment because 17 geysers stopped working. Not stopped, take it in past tense, stopped. We
Okay, ma'am.
we hope that such problems is not repeated. Beta, problem, cut that letter S because you've
Okay,
used is. Problem is not repeated in future and anticipate, not anticipation, anticipate. Cut ION and
Okay.
write E. And anticipate that you will take a prompt action. We will be compelled to delay the payment. We are your regular customers from a long time. Hope you will do the needful at the earliest. Till then, we are constrained to delay the payment. Again, the same spelling problem. Constrained. After N, write ED, not TS. ED. Constrained to delay the payment. Thanking you, Vineet, hostel warden. Excellent. Very well written. Whose was this? This was Puneet?
Himanshu.
No, Himanshu. Himanshu.
Ma'am,
Very nice.
Himanshu. Himanshu.
Yes, Himanshu. Well done. Now we'll read what Puneet has written. Dear sir, ma'am, this is with reference to our order number this dated June. I had placed, past tense. Keep changing, huh? Keep
Yes,
changing.
ma'am.
I had placed a bulk order with your company for electrical appliances, which I received on June 15th. When I opened it, cut the word have, or you can make it,
Yes,
make
ma'am.
it had. Yes, when I had opened it, it was correct in place of had. Then I found certain defects with them. I had ordered. Everywhere in place of have, it's past tense, so make it had. I had ordered 70 bulbs. They were not of the company which I asked for, and certain bulbs were broken. Good. I hope that such problem would not be repeated in future. I am constrained to delay the payment as per the terms and conditions. Thanking you in anticipation. Very good. Only wherever you have, use the word had.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we are writing We are describing whatever happened in the past actually. What are we describing?
Ma'am, in the happened in the past.
Yes, we are describing in the past only. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what else can we write instead of mistake? Like we were not expecting this mistake from your side.
Carelessness. Okay. Let's use a better word. We were not expecting such carelessness from your side. Something like this. Not mistake.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go back to the group. Very good, children. Very good. See, those of you who are writing will certainly perform very well in the exams. You're taking things nicely. Only have has to be changed to yes, Puneet.
Ma'am, had.
Yes. Wherever we have, change it to had. Okay, we have one more. Pranjal. XYZ school Bareilly manager subject received defective items. Okay, yesterday we checked out for the spelling of received children. It has to be corrected here. Dear sir, he has cut the comma himself. Very good. This is in reference to our order number so and so placed on 11th May for electrical appliances. When we open the box, what should be the correct word, Pranjal? Past
Opened.
tense. Opened. Very good. Opened.
Yes, ma'am.
Past tense. Keep changing. We found that many fans were broken. LED was fused. Wires were not working. Switches were cracked. Oh God, such a bad stock. Everything damaged. I had never hoped of this condition. As, what is this word? As we, okay. As we had a strict talk, that there should be no damaged products. I hope that these damaged or not working products would be replaced. Yours truly, Vineet. Oh, very, very harsh letter. No softness shown. So angry on the
Yes,
person.
ma'am.
Very, very angry. At least tell him that I'm not going to pay you. He must be expecting some payment from you. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, we are waiting for others. Okay, hurry up, children. Those who are still writing. By the time, can we discuss this first passage
ma'am.
till others are
Yes,
writing?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, giving you 1 minute only for the first this one. Just 1 minute and we'll start discussing. Because this work should finish in this much of time.
Ma'am, could I put the letter in a box later?
You can do that. You can do that. Just post on the group. We'll check. Whoever posts, please inform children so that I can go back on the group and check. Okay, dear. Let us see if somebody is posting. We will read and then later we'll do the grammatical exercises.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Okay, let's go back on the group and check first. Okay, let's read. Okay, we are reading. Good. Who all have posted? Akansha has posted and Pavni has posted. Let's read. XYZ International School, New Delhi, 21st June. The manager received defective goods. Dear sir, madam, would you cut the comma? This is in reference to our order number so and so, dated 11th June. We ordered electrical appliances from your company. Fine. Our order was delivered to us on 19th June. We've been facing trouble with a few of the appliances. Okay, now the details. The order included 40 bulbs, 20 fans, and 20 geysers. On opening, a dozen of bulbs were broken. After installation, 5 geysers have stopped working. We didn't expect such a blunder from an esteemed company like yours. I would request you to look into the matter at the earliest. Since the session is about to begin, until I am obliged to delay. Obliged? Beta, is this word correct here? Think about the meaning of the word obliged, Akansha.
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
See, we say na we are obliged by your presence. Means we are very thankful. Obliged जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं धन्य हो जाना. You've come across this word in Hindi, हम धन्य हो गए. Basic, acha,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the word you've written? Just tell me once without the spelling. Maybe I'm not getting the spelling.
Ma'am, I've written obliged only. OBLIGED.
Okay, you're talking about the legal foundation. Then we can use it correctly. Fine, fine. You're talking about the legal foundation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's fine. If you're going for the legal foundation, it is correct. You people are very stern businessmen, huh? No soft corner. Very good. I told you be soft, but be firm in your business. Otherwise, you'll always be at loss. You people will prove to be very good businessmen. I'm telling you. You should start doing business, all of you. Until I'm obliged to delay the payment as per the terms and conditions. Okay, you're going according to the law of the terms and conditions. Thanking you. Regards, Vinita, hostel warden. Excellent. Well done. She's saying the session has already started. So they're facing a lot of problems. Very, very good. Yes, Biche.
Ma'am, after writing thanking you, do we need to leave a line?
Better just speak again.
Ma'am, after writing the thanking you one part, do we need to leave a line?
There is nothing as such. It is not mandatory. You need to leave a line, but you will not lose your marks also if you leave a line. Okay. There is no problem. But I would suggest, Akansha, if you want to leave a line, you should have written where you've written regards. There you should have written thanking you. And you want to pay regards after a complaint letter?
Ma'am, I've been pretty harsh up there, so I could be a little.
Okay, so trying to compensate for that part. So fine, just because she's writing 3 lines, regards also, name also, designation also. So if she would have written thanking you after leaving a line, then these 4 things at one place would have looked odd. That is why probably this is how it is written. Otherwise, if you are not writing regards, I would suggest thanking you could be written there. But fine, because she's writing 3 things at the last. Dear sir, ma'am, this is in reference to our order number so and so placed on 5th June for electrical appliances. We placed a bulk order with your prestigious company. Received the order on 4th June, but on opening, we found certain defective items. We had ordered 50 refrigerators, 100 bulbs, and 50 tube lights. Unfortunately, the refrigerators we received are not of the correct size. Oh, this is nice. That we asked for. Above this, the maximum number of bulbs are not under working conditions. Not under. What should be the correct word, children? Not under working conditions?
In working condition.
Not in working condition.
Very good. And 25 tube lights are working poorly. Matlab? Tube lights are working poorly means what? Will you elaborate, child?
Mama, I meant to write that they are working, but they're not glowing properly.
Okay. So
Or the
make it clear. Working poorly, I could not understand. We were definitely not expecting such carelessness from your side. We are your old customers. Kindly do the needful at the earliest. We are constrained to delay the payment as per our terms and conditions. Thanking you in anticipation, Vinita, hostel warden. Rest everything is correct. Just that part, you could have elaborated it or just change something over there. Can you suggest her something? Children, all your friends? To suggest her something that the tube lights working in poor condition. Suggest her something. She's trying to say that they're not glowing that powerfully that they should. So suggest her something, children. What words she should use? Then we'll read what Jujhar has posted. Yes. Nobody? Glowing dimly or something like that. Okay, just try and change this word. The sentence
Okay,
only I think it changed. Jujhar. He has written subject received defective items. Dear sir, this is in reference to our order number so and so dated so and so. We placed a bulk order with your reputed Jujhar or reputed?
Ma'am, reputed.
Yes, change this. It is REPUTED, reputed. Cut it right on the top. Once you do the corrections, I'm sure we won't have mistakes. Your reputed firm for certain electrical appliances, which we received on 14th June. Okay. On opening, we found certain defective items. First of all, 10 air conditioners were not working properly. Oh God, big loss. We had ordered 50 bulbs, out of which 25 bulbs were defected. What is the word we should have over here?
defective.
Defective. Keep changing Jujhar. In place of defected, it should be defective.
Okay, ma'am.
And were not glowing properly. See, Naina, something what you were saying, not glowing properly. You can also use the same thing. Also, the geysers which were delivered were not of the company we asked for. We are your regular customers from a long time and didn't expect the quality to be this bad. I hope that such problem would not be repeated in future. I am constrained to delay the payment as per the terms and conditions we agreed upon. Thanking you in anticipation, yours truly, Vineet, Hostel Warden. Excellent, beta. Very, very nice. Only those two small errors that we had. What was it? Jujhar, can you speak out?
Ma'am, reputed, ma'am, it will be reputed. And ma'am, defected, ma'am, it will be defective.
Yes, so you won't do this mistake ever. Okay, children, we have time. Can we discuss the first exercise? Let's do it already together. Only there's nothing to write in this. Let's start. I'm reading the first passage. First, you will tell me the incorrect word and then you will tell me the correct word. Hardly any people knew English on our village.
On is incorrect.
On.
In should be the correct.
On is, so what is the correct word?
In.
The village headman was the first to send his son.
Ma'am, sent is wrong. It should be sent.
Yes, dear, sent is wrong. It should be sent. Send his son to the city to study, and when he come back.
Ma'am,
It should be came back.
Very good. Very good. It should not be come. It should be came back. He used several English words at his conversation.
In his conversation.
It should be in.
In his conversation.
Yes. Yes. Okay. In his conversation. The people in the village looked baffled.
Ma'am, it should be
Looked
looked.
Very, very good. We are going for past tense. So looked baffled because they did not understand what he was saying.
was saying.
Was saying.
Sometimes hilarious situations were created.
Situations.
We can do either the changes. We can change situation to situations, or we can change word to was. Any one thing. But the headman felt very proud about his son.
Of
For
his son. Proud of
Hmm?
his son.
his son.
No, not for his son.
I'm proud of his son.
Yes, beta, we are always proud of. I say I'm very proud of my parents. We never say I'm proud for my parents. I'm very proud of my school. Never for. So proud about is the wrong word, incorrect word. What should be there?
Of.
Of.
Second one is a bit tricky one. Let me see if you can do this. I won't help you. It's a little tricky one. Plan the answers. Just 1 minute. No need to write anything. Let's read. It is all parents' sincere desire to keep their children healthy.
Ma'am, there should be
Ma'am,
an
there should be an
apostrophe.
apostrophe.
Very good. Good. This is a little typical. Let me see if you can do the entire thing. To keep the children healthy and happy, but at spite of all efforts.
It should be
In spite of all efforts. Children are bound to fall ill sometime.
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Very good. Smart children you are. Sometimes. They may suddenly have a high temperature, complain for a stomachache.
Complain of a stomach.
Yes, it is not complain for, complain of a stomach ache or catch chicken pox because no apparent reason.
With no.
Ma'am, there should be off because of no apparent
Yes.
reason.
Very good. Because of no apparent reason. So this is not correct actually. There is no incorrect word. We have to insert a word here.
Ma'am,
It is
can be like
important that the
this.
parents keep their cool.
That should be THEIR there.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, in
Yes.
place of THERE, it should be THEI. Their cool in the
Yes,
event
ma'am.
of their child fall ill.
False ill.
It is important that the parents keep their cool in the event of their child falls ill. No?
Ma'am, there should be when their child fall. No.
Try and correct words. With a
Parents
there.
to keep cool.
No, Bachi, I'm talking about the G1. The G1. Event of the child fall ill. This one. Read the entire sentence, you'll get the answer. It is important that the
Should
parents
be
keep their
falling.
cool. Yes, it should be falling ill. If the child falling ill. Yes, very good. Most children quickly return to normal before a brief illness.
After a brief illness.
Yes, it is so tricky. How can they become normal before falling sick? Obviously, it's after. It should not be before, it should be after. So I told you this is a tricky one, a little tricky one. We still have 1 minute.
Excuse
Let's
me,
do it
ma'am.
together. Anger is an emotion experienced through all of us. Tell me, which is the incorrect word?
Who is incorrect? It should be by.
Yes, through is wrong. It should be by. It can affect our lives, health, and relationships.
It should be affect instead of effect.
Yes, very good. It should be affect. Over a negative manner. The C1 now.
In a negative manner.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, it
C1.
should be in a negative manner.
Yes, perfect.
Yes,
In a
ma'am.
negative. Very good. They affect our health and relationships in a negative manner. Anger can even lead for violence.
Two.
Violence.
Very good. Lead to violence. It harms
Lead
us
to violence.
more. Yes, beta. It harms us more than it harms others.
It should be THAM. Than.
Very good. Than,
than.
not THEN. It should be than. Often anger has led to words and acts that are regret later.
Regretted.
Very good.
Regretted.
Regretted. Anger management